Hey everybody, this is Joe with Keyrazy LEDs. We have a customer requested video on some of our new products. I'll do a video on the 3 LED pods, complete video on them in a little bit. But first, this is the keychain remote that's with this unit. Basically what you do is you bring a 12-volt power supply to this unit. It has a built-in fuse already. This is an RF antenna, and you have outputs for your LEDs. The yellow is a positive, the black is a negative. Basically the only connections you'll really have to make is for your pods or your 5mm LEDs and to the battery. This simple on-off switch on the remote. We have 5 colors for the pods: blue, red, white, yellow, green. Right now in the 5mm we have a teal color, purple, blue, white, and red. Show a little bit of the light display for you guys. Just come up. You kind of see the output on these. It's about 4 inches away, and it's got a good spread on it. So I believe the green is probably the brightest out of the group. Teal, purple's the dimmest of the 5mm. Blue is very bright. White's really bright. Red's a little dimmer, and then green's fairly bright as well. Again, this is an on-off setup. Hit the button. We are in a little bit of light right now, so they are brighter. When it's darker, it just helps to have a little bit of light for the camera shot.